Hello guys, you are welcome to today's lesson. Today we'll be looking at a heart condition called sinus tachycardia. Before we begin, let's just look at the anatomy of the heart. That is the structure of the heart. The heart is a four-chambered muscular organ which is made up of the upper chamber and the upper chamber is the left and right atrium and the lower chamber is the left and right ventricles. Let us move on to what normal sinus tachycardia is. Normal sinus tachycardia is the rhythm of a healthy heart. This means that the electrical impulse from your sinus node is being properly transmitted throughout the heart muscle. And the normal sinus rhythm usually accompanies a heart rate of 60 beats per minute to 100 beats per minute. That is the range of a normal sinus rhythm. Then we look at tachycardia. What is tachycardia then? Tachycardia is a medical term for a heart rate of over 100 beats per minute. Sometimes it is normal for you to have a fast heart rate, but instances like excessive exercise, stress, anxiety, trauma, illness can actually spark up tachycardia. Okay, let's look at the 3 second EKG strip. Okay, so the first one, that's the normal heartbeat. The 3 second EKG strip has 5 QRS waves, so you multiply by 10. So imagine if it's a 6 second, let's say it's equal. So 6 second EKG strip. So this 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. 10 times 10 is 100. So you realize that it's within normal range. That is the normal heartbeat. So 100 beats per minute. Then we move on to sinus tachycardia. So we realize that counting the QRS waves, we have 10 QRS waves there. So times 2 is 20. So 20 multiplied by 10 is 200. So that is if you are using a 6 second EKG strip. So we move on to the types of tachycardia. We have 3 types of tachycardia. The first one we'll be looking at is the atrial or supraventricular tachycardia. This occurs when the electrical signals in the upper chambers, as we said earlier on, the heart is a four-chambered muscular organ, and the upper chambers are the atrium. So the electrical signals in the upper chambers of the heart misfires, that is, goes the wrong way, causing the heart rate to speed up, and this beats so faster that the heart can't fill with blood before it contracts. Okay, so let's look at the diagram of a supraventricular tachycardia in a normal sinus rhythm. The right side is the normal sinus rhythm. And looking at it, you realize that the SA node fires at the right proportion. But looking at the supraventricular tachycardia on our left side, you realize that there's an re-entrant electrical loop of the sinus node. And the accessory part is actually, the pathway is actually wide, it speeds up heart rate. The SM node does not transmit the right amount of electrical impulse.